Hello all. Welcome to the webinar on techgeek.com. Today's topic of the webinar is Master Data Management, Data Governance, Leadership and Best Practices. To present this webinar, we have with us Mr. Dinesh Chandrasekhar, Director CRM and MDM Practice at Hitachi Consulting India. Dinesh has over 14 years of rich IT experience in CRM, MDM and BI implementations, management consulting and strategic advisory services to CXOs. He is currently heading the Hitachi Consulting GDC CRM and MDM practice. Gentlemen, this presentation will continue for next 45 minutes and you can ask your questions by typing in the chat pane available in webinar control panel. So without further delay, I invite Dinesh to present this webinar. Over to you, Dinesh.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining this webinar. I know it's a Friday afternoon. I really appreciate you taking time to attend this webinar. Okay, so today's topic is Master Data Management, Data Governance, Leadership and Best Practices. So why I've chosen the topic of Master Data Management? The reason is that there's one technology which really fascinates me because it gives a lot of importance to the data, right? So when you have the technologies like ERP, CRM and all these technologies will not be of real use if you don't have a quality data. So that's the significance of having an MDM application in an organization. Okay, the agenda for today's presentation is we will see the impact of poor data and the need for data quality. Why MDM and especially the customer of solutions. What are the customer data problems and what are the solutions we have? And the significance of data governance leadership strategies, data stewardship best practices, and we have open forum where you can ask questions and I'll be happy to address. Okay, so before we get on to the main topic, I want to introduce you to some of the acronyms that are used in the MDM. EIM, which stands for Enterprise Information Management, EDM for the Enterprise Data Management, and you have a set of other acronyms as well. The most important ones you will continue to see in this presentation is UCM, which stands for Universal Customer Data Hub, Product Data Hub, and other hubs which you see below. Okay. How clean is your windshield? Ultimately, poor data is like a dirt on the windshield. You may be able to drive for a long time with slowly degrading vision, but at some point you either have to stop and clear the windshield and risk everything. So this was given by Ken Moore Institute. So Ken Moore is actually one of the leaders in the data architecture management, and they also do a lot of consulting around the data governance. So this is what they have to say. So having a dirty data is going to cost you a lot if you're not going to take an action. That was the message which Ken Moore Institute is giving us. Okay, so coming on to the